Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today you are in my kitchen. It's lunchtime, I'm starving and let's see how this broccoli is not just broccoli. The ingredients for today are broccoli, guanciale of course, pepper, salt, one chili, I like it spicy, a nice Parmigiano Reggiano, and we are going to eat it with gnocchi. Gnocchi is an Italian dumpling, but forget that name, dumpling. It's called gnocchi and it's made with potato. Let's do that. First step, you boil water on a pot, like here. Put salt on it, and you start to clean those broccoli. You take away this one, and then you take all those small trees. And you don't throw away this one. You can clean it like that. So, again here, I'm gonna make a portion for 2 people. And we both eat a lot. Broccoli, this is a really healthy vegetable, so I feel also I can put a little bit more of a gnocchi, so my diet goes plus minus 0. Now it's time for them to dance in the water. And they are going to cook for about 4 minutes. Garlic, this one is pretty hot. I cut like in the middle. And now our fantastic guanciale. You know, guanciale is the pig chick. I have already cleaned here. You know, here is still the cotenna, so I take it away. You slice it with love. Don't forget, put love on your food. If you put love on your food, you love yourself. You slice it like that. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Now, let's do that. Our loved broccoli here, you can see, they are cooked. A really nice olive oil. You put, oh, you can hear now. You see. The oil is taking everything. They are dancing inside the oil. Now, so let's put this one. You can see here how the fat is becoming transparent. You can see through the fat. And you wait until they are crispy. Take the broccoli. Inside. Smash it all together. Salt. Be careful because guanciale is already salted. Don't throw away this water because it keeps all the flavor from the broccoli. So you want the flavor to transfer to the gnocchi. Look, 3 ingredients. Get the maximum flavor for it. It's the whole point. Virgin olive oil, raw inside. Yes, this is the secret of everything. You don't need cream, you don't need those stuff. You have the water. You can see here the guanciale. Oof. The guanciale and the broccoli. Now the water is boiling here. You can use orecchiette, you can use rigatoni. If you want, you can also use spaghetti. When the gnocchi is ready, they are coming up. Yes, look. Yes, now it's the time. Different size of gnocchi here. We don't leave no one. I put a little bit more of oil. And then... wait, here. 1, 2, 3, my friend, Parmigiano. Gnocchi, broccoli and guanciale. Buon appetito!